Similar to bipolar transistors, FETs are constructed as N-channel and P-channel. There are many categories of FETs. Enhancement or normally off MOSFETs are used as power switches. The power MOSFET consists of two switches: a unipolar transistor and a bipolar diode, body diode. Due to the isolated gate of power MOSFET, two capacitances appear between gate source and gate drain. Set the multimeter to the diode test mode. Determine the drain and source pins by taking a reading of about 0.5 volts from the body diode. If the reading is close to 0 volts, discharge the MOSFET capacitances by touching its pins. The third pin is the gate, but the drain and source pins cannot be determined because the channel type is unknown. Move the red probe on the gate and return to the initial pin. If the reading approaches 0 volts, because the channel is conducting, the MOSFET is N-channel. Discharge the MOSFET capacitances by touching its pins or measuring the gate voltage. The red probe is on the source pin and the black probe is on the drain pin. In addition, the drain pin is usually attached to the tab.